Using Microsoft Defender to do a boot or offline scan of your system, and this can even be done if you're running a third-party antivirus. Let me show you how to set it up and how to run that boot time scan. Start by opening up Settings, and the easiest way is to use your Windows and I key combination. When that's open, select Update and Security. Once you get here, you want Windows Security. Once this opens, select Virus and Threat Protection. And you'll notice I'm running Avast Antivirus. Select Microsoft Defender Antivirus Options, and you get something that says you can keep using your current provider and have Microsoft Defender Antivirus periodically check for threats. Activate it. It does not disable your current protection. It simply allows Defender occasionally to check and use its product to check for viruses. What this also does is it now gives you some other options that are available. What opens up is Scan Options. Select it. And here you'll notice Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender Offline can help find and remove them using up-to-date threat definitions, and this will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. If you select it and then select Scan Now, your system will reboot, but before it actually gets back into the operating system, it will do a scan. I'm going to start it now, and then because I don't get back into Windows, I will wind up using a camera and simply record what's happened. We'll continue this after the offline or boot time scan has completed. The system has not rebooted. It's offline, not using the operating system, so it's capable of scanning files that normally would not be available for a scan against viruses. This is fairly fast. It's already past the 50% mark. It started at 10:48, and we're barely 2 minutes into the actual scan, and it's already 3/4 finished. This will only take a few more minutes and it should be finished. We'll just keep the recording going and follow the progress. I guess from 90% to 100%, things get a little slower. Found nothing, so it just rebooted back into the operating system. If it had found something, you would have known about it because it would have given you the opportunity to do something with that infected file that it found. Since it found nothing, it rebooted back into the operating system. The one thing I still want to do is I really don't need for Defender to occasionally check my system for any infections. I'm perfectly happy with Avast. It does the job for me. That's all I need. But in order to do this boot scan using Microsoft Defender, it was necessary to make that change and allow Microsoft on occasion to check the system. So let me go back in and make the necessary changes. Again, go into the settings, Windows key and I, Update and Security, Windows Security, Viruses and Threat Protection. And what I want to do is Microsoft Defender, Antivirus Options. Check the down arrow, and here I want to stop the periodic scanning. Give it permission, and now Microsoft will not scan periodically. If I ever want to do another boot scan, I'll just simply make these changes again, select the boot scan, it'll do it for me, give me a second opinion, and actually check the files before the system starts. That's what it takes to make Microsoft Defender do a scan for you, even though you're not actually in the operating system. You can do it, as I said in the beginning, even if you're running a third-party antivirus program. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps.